Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Ungroup the text. Select the knife tool. Hold Alt to cut in a straight line. Select the part of the text you just cut off. Go to Object. Arrange. Bring to front. Change the fill to gradient. Select the gradient tool and adjust the direction of the gradient. Select the Reflect tool. Click on the anchor points in the corners to flip it. Go to Effect. Stylize. Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings to your liking. And that's how you create this folded text effect.